these switches are the electric window switches out of a Ford Escort XR3. Now they're getting dearer and dearer to buy second hand, so I thought I'd have a go at fixing this one, which only works in one direction at the moment. And I found out that you prise this off on the side here first of all to get that off, and then once that's off, the rest of it just comes apart relatively easily. Then here we've got the electrical contacts, and it's these that are going to get dirty. If I take them out, there's some parts under there that need cleaning, also parts inside. So to clean these parts inside, you see this one I have already cleaned. It's quite shiny. This one, I'm just going to make it clean by scratching it with a screwdriver, getting all that dirt off. And it just builds up over time, and then of course going to have to do it with the opposite side of the connector as well, and that's this part. So any areas that seem to make electrical contact, I'm just cleaning up. It's looking good. Now it's just a matter of just clipping everything into position the same way as it was earlier. You just need to clean these metal prongs. I do that with some sandpaper and do each one to make sure you've got good electrical contact. One other thing to watch out for is when you clip these on, you need to tuck these under it as well. Make sure that they clip under and in position, otherwise it will end up a very tight fit in the car, and these rockers will hold position, they won't flick and return as they do here. So that is now ready to go in the car.